What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about Lion Electric. Now this is an electric vehicle company that could potentially be going public pretty soon, so we're going to go over exactly what they do and what are the models that this company produces. We're also going to go over some of the top SPAC companies also we need to be watching out for this week. And also at the end of the video I'm going to go over exactly what are the important economic reports that could potentially affect the stock market for tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. Before we get into the video, I appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions or any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. As you can see from the headline, we have Lion Electric and merger talks with Northern Genesis. So as you can see, this can potentially take this company public. So this news came out a few weeks ago. So if they proceed with some of the steps they need to take in order to announce that they finalized the talks and they're going to be moving forward, that could potentially happen within the next few days, the next few weeks, since the news has already been out in the past that they're proceeding with this specific talks. So also the merger is said to be worth approximately $2 billion. So we're going to go over and look at exactly what Lion Electric, what they do, and what are the vehicle types that they have. And also they have electric buses that certain school districts actually use, so that's really fantastic. We're going to go and check out those two introduction videos, and I'm going to go over and talk about exactly what is the ideal price point and get involved in it, and what we can expect for this stock price, what could potentially happen. So let's check out this introduction video about this specific company.
Energy leads to movement. Action triggers change, keeps us moving forward, and drives us toward the future. A future we are proud to help build together. The creative energy we introduce today is already powering the ideas of tomorrow. The only way to know what the future holds is to shape it today. Thanks to our unique vision and expertise, electric transportation will be more accessible than ever. To everyone, everywhere. And we're aiming even higher. We will keep progressing towards a greener transportation industry. We will continue to innovate.
To be able to add 2 all-electric school buses to our fleet is just a fabulous opportunity.
It's just a real exciting time to be able to contribute to that aspect of it.
It's going to make a difference for the future of Fresno.
Having a bus that doesn't spew dirty diesel exhaust positively impacts everybody that is dedicated to getting students to and from school safely every day.
You can't get any better than zero emissions.
It is an electric vehicle, so the only fluids you have in it are some coolant for the heaters, power steering fluid, and hydraulic brake fluid.
I think it's an excellent example for our kids, how to treat the environment. I want our kids to grow up understanding that it's their responsibility. So taking these buses and putting them on the road with our children in them gives them a good opportunity to understand their responsibility to our environment also.
It's exciting to see Central moving forward with this. I'm glad that I get to be a part of it. I think it's awesome. I love to see new technology and seeing what the kids of the future are going to be experiencing because of what we're doing right now.
Being able to access a grant like this and provide 2 buses, especially buses at this caliber, is a tremendous plus and an upside to our district, not only financially, but to the community and the children of Central Unified.
Measure C actually is fronting most of the cost. The cost on the district is real minimal for the impact that they're actually getting in terms of clean technology.
Being on the cutting edge of this technology, not only here in the Central Valley, but throughout the state, puts Central Unified on the map.
As you saw from the video, they have electric vehicles out there on the road, and we have certain school districts using the buses. So that is really great. But when you look at exactly the stock price for Northern Genesis, this is the potential SPAC company that can take them public. The stock is up 2.35% on Friday. But as you can see, it's slowly trending higher and higher. So we can potentially expect, if everything goes out, everything goes smooth, they can come out and say that they're going to be moving forward and they're going to allow, Northern Genesis to take them, do a reverse merger, and they can potentially go public, So that news by itself, we can expect the stock to significantly have an impact in the short term for it to spike, at least 10, 20%. That's exactly what's been happening in the past, So a great example that we can be looking at right now, of course, is we have QuantumScape. Now, this is a company that Bill Gates backed. If you guys remember, this is Kingston. There's a SPAC deal that they did with Kingston. And eventually, when the news came out, it was a lot of hype. We got Bill Gates and etc. And you see the price after the first 2 days of spiking, it went way below that, started to trend to the downside. But right now, since the company finalized their merger and they went public and the ticker symbol changed and QS, as you can see, the stock went up 57.5% to the upside. So this is kind of the similar price action that we expect the majority of the SPAC, even if they move forward with their talks and they announce that they're going to be going public pretty soon. All of the hype it could potentially happen is going to be the first few days. The volatility is going to be increasing, a lot of excitement. And after that, the stock price can potentially be trading lower. So you have to be super careful about it. And after the merger finalizes, depending upon what is the potential of the company, if there's a lot of institutional investors that see great potential, the stock price can definitely be reacting like this. So this company is not even in production. They're not even going to go in production until 2025. But they have a great battery technology that is going to be able to allow electric vehicles to be charged within 15 minutes, and they can potentially go, 300 to 500 miles, and they have really great technology for this company. And a lot of investors are really aggressively investing in this hot market right now, in this hot sector. So you see the stock price potentially going, expanding, blowing up just like this, So now let's talk about what are the important economic reports that we need to be watching out for tomorrow. So for November 30, we have a 9:45 a.m. We got the Chicago PMI. It's going to be for the period of November. The previous was 61.1. We also have at 10 a.m. we got the pending home sale index. It's going to be for the period of October. The previous was negative 2.2%. So definitely be keeping an eye on for these economic reports. And if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comments section below. If you have any, and if you want to subscribe, make sure you subscribe. Check out all the links below. You get free stocks and join Discord and etc. But I catch you guys on another video. Let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.